Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to K&A's Family Homestead. I'm Angel, and for today's video, we're gonna do a hay rack, preferably for smaller animals. And for what I'm gonna make it for is my rabbits, so I can stop getting the hay everywhere. All right, guys. Well, if you guys remember in my other videos when I was doing the rabbit cage, we had cut the openings for the entrance on the doors, and this is what I got out of it. Now, I did not throw them away. I'm reusing this as well for the hay rack, and this is the little hay rack here. So what I did here was cut about, let me see to be precise, 1, 2, 12, 13 squares. So that's 13 squares wide. And then I went 3 squares high. 1, 2, 3. So I cut along this line. Now, if you can see the model that I did, the square box, and I wind up just cutting, fold it out for you. I just wind up cutting a little window, and then the little wires here, I just wind up folding them. Because when you stuff the hay in there, the rabbits will pull it out, and usually they'll pull it out and it'll fall on the floor. These little wires here will actually prong onto the hay where they won't be able to pull it all out or make a mess. So they will be able to grab it little by little, and so I thought it was a perfect way to actually minimize how much hay they take out and what they're eating. Now in the back of here, I wind up letting out the metal prongs as well. So on a galvanized fence or frame that you have for whatever animal you have, you can actually put it against to it and then bend the ends to have it slightly snugged against your frame of your hutch or whatever you're going to do, wherever you're going to put this. So that was the idea that I came up with. I did try it. It was great. But I am going right now, cut this open, and I'm going to show you step by step on how I did it. All right, guys. We're going to mimic this design. Okay. So we're going to put this. So that's how it's going to look like. Pretty similar. So now we're going to look and get the center of this here. And we're going to pop some of this out here. And we're going to make a little window. There it goes. Oh, forgot this one. Okay. So now I want not too long, but so there goes the little window. And what I do is turn these to the inside. That's what's gonna hold my hay. Pretty sweet. Let me knock these off. Ooh. And when you're doing this, you should wear some safety glasses, just in case, God forbid, you cut one of those and it goes flying into your eye. And you just want to mold it. Mold it into a perfect. There you go. And that's how you make a little hay rack. So let's go test it out. All right, so here we go. Now I brought some needle nose so we can better secure this here. Hey buddy. That's now if I make it wider, I think it'll be less food, or less hay, should I say. So I'm gonna make it just a little bit shorter so it could be bulky and stick out more. It's your preference of how you want it. I definitely recommend using needle nose though, because sometimes it gets a little hard trying to twist these little things around because they're so small. So yeah. Perfect. Try to straighten this out a little bit. So let's see, we put some hay in there. Ball it up. Perfect. Nice. So there you go. That's how it came out. Pretty good, I think. And if you see, you got hay all over. And these little 1-inch holes does not hold the hay whatsoever. If you notice, my net that I put on the bottom that's supposed to have the urine drop down to the ground and be able to roll the poop into a bucket. Obviously the hay is falling through and it's holding all the poop and urine. So yeah, that is definitely a problem. So yeah, I think this will help good. It'll keep the hay on one side off the floor and hopefully resolve this problem. All right guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that DIY project there. It's definitely very helpful for your little small animals, whether it's, you know, rabbits, guinea pigs, you know, any small animals. This is very good for. If you have bigger animals, obviously you would need a bigger a little hay rack, but this is something to think outside the box, and you can definitely do so much when you're thinking outside the box. All right guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Press those thumbs up if you like it, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. I got plenty more videos coming out. So I hope I see you guys on the next video. God bless and take care.